National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Williamson County, Illinois, East Central Jackson County, Illinois, Southern Franklin County in South Central Illinois until 6:15 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over the weather moving severe 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodlawn, Cambria, West Frankfort, Huron, Orient, Spillertown, Pittsburgh, Hearst, Freemansburg, Craneville, Johnston City, Cole, Ziegler, Royalton, Thompsonville, Williamson County Regional Airport, Bush.
Locations impacted include Woodlawn, Cambria, West Frankfort, Huron, Orient, Spillertown, Pittsburgh, Hearst, Freemansburg.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Jackson, and Williamson.
And Carterville. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers
A severe thunderstorm warning.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Jackson, and Williamson.